Your vehicle is equipped with an array of cameras. Let's take a look. First, the rear vision camera is at the back of your vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with the available HD surround vision system, you'll have additional cameras for this feature. One on the front, located in the grille, and two on the sides, located underneath the side view mirrors, in addition to the HD rear vision camera mentioned earlier. If you have an available rear camera mirror, the camera's location varies depending on your vehicle. It could be in the antenna or the back of the roof. It may also be positioned next to the rear vision camera. And finally, there is also a camera behind the center of the windshield that's used for available active safety features like automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, and adaptive cruise control if equipped. But what happens when all these cameras become dirty? This can impair the picture quality of the camera or the function of the available active safety features. So it's best to clean them regularly. In properly equipped vehicles with a camera washer, when the rear window washer is used, it also washes the rear camera mirror. To activate it, just push the windshield wiper lever away from you. For vehicles equipped with a camera washer, simply push the windshield wiper lever away from you to activate the rear vision camera washer. Be sure to also clean the cameras manually in the front and under each side view mirror using water and a soft cloth. And keep your windshield clean as well. It's that easy to care for your vehicle's camera system.